I'm really scared. Dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of smiling and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Yeah, Rico and I are over. I'm sorry.
Okay lang ba mag-share ka, Marlies? Kasi parang emotional.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Ayun lang. Well, walang nagtanong, but, nangyari. Well, wala akong short answer for it. Hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali. Hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated yan, the situation.